Welcome to another edition of What You Mean News. I'm your amazing host here in Crystal Clear, and the drone mania is brought to you by the government as another stage crisis. Drones are flying over New York, New Jersey, China, and all over the world. It's just like the balloon. It's a distraction. Just like Diddy is a distraction. Just like Remy Ma, Papoose is a distraction. All these celebrities that are coming out doing what they're doing, it's a distraction to keep you from being awakened to the government. It's doing open surveillance by using these drones, okay? Please
the
wake
enemy
up.
because it was
Negative time, guys.
Drones that are flying around New Jersey, the ports. It seems like the American people have a big
the government knows what is happening.
They do.
Look,
They do because they're doing it. The government bought the drones and they got the drones all over the United States. Now, there's been reports that these fools are literally saying that, guess what? These drones are looking for radiation poisoning. This is not true. This is not correct. They are not looking for, no, they're just not. They just, ooh, honey, ooh, he is sexy, baby. Anyway, that got me off guard. Listen here, the government is lying. Okay? The government is freaking lying. They said those drones are out there to literally help them with radiation poisoning detection. Are you out your mind? There's no way this can be true. There's no way that this can be found true. They said radiation poisoning is why they had so many drones out here. That's insane. That is insane. Let me see if I can pull this up. Oh, someone had a picture of the drones. Anyway, yeah, they said the drones were actually looking for radiation. If you believe this, I got a bridge in Brooklyn I want to sell you, my friend. This is so not true, okay?
our military knows where they took off from. If it's a garage, they can go right into that garage. They know where it came from and where it went. And for some reason, they don't want to comment. And I think they'd be better off saying what it is. Our military knows and our president knows. And for some reason, they want to keep people in suspense. I can't imagine it's the enemy, because if it was the enemy, they'd blast it.
So he's saying it's us. Trump is saying it is us. Nice try, guys. Nice try. We know the truth. Trump knows the truth, and he's telling the truth.
Out, even if they were late, they'd blast it. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people, and they should, because the people are really, I mean, they happen to be over Bedminster.
Will you shoot them down?
They're very close to Bedminster. I think maybe I won't spend the weekend in Bedminster. I've decided to cancel my trip.
Have you received an intelligence briefing on the drones?
I don't want to comment on that.
Have you been?
Do you have any reason to think they're a threat?
Two quick questions. First.
And there you have it. Your government is back at it again with the white vans.
Yes.
Drone found in New York.
Yo, can you interview James for me, man?
The NYPD recently recovered a large inoperable drone abandoned on a sidewalk in the Brooklyn Navy Yard. The drone belonged to the Imogeny Incorporation, a sustainable energy startup specializing in ammonia-based renewable fuel for aerial vehicles. According to Imogeny's CEO, the drone had been placed outside their headquarters placed outside their headquarters for after a company event and remained there for over a month. The NYPD ensured the drone's nitrogen components were safe before transporting it to the 88th precinct. Not 88. 88 means it was abundant. The ritual was abundant. This incident coincides with the surge in drone sightings across the tri-state area, though authorities suggest that the perceived increase may be due to heightened public awareness rather than actual uptick in the drone activity. The real question is, does this have anything to do with the unidentified drones in the sky right now? And yes, it does. And Trump just told us so. So let's cut the bullshit. Not to mention, it's been more than drones that are being sighted. More than drones are being sighted. They're actually bringing out Project Bluebeam with the alien sightings now. How interesting, huh? Right? How interesting. So there you have it. They know what's going on.
As President Trump is committed, we're going to deputize every...
And here we go. This has been another edition of What You Mean News. Your government is standing on business with the scare tactics. Don't forget, China takes drones and fireworks to a fireworks show to the next level. Yeah, it's Project Bluebeam, you guys. Don't fall for this shit. What You Mean News. I'm here crystal clear. Please detox from parasites and biochemicals with viralreject.net. I'm out.